may bibigay ako sa inyo, simple hack na gagamitin natin sa workplace. Na pag ito, ginawa natin siya, it can become part of our vernacular. It can become part of our language. We will use the glass model. Do you have a clear glass? Do you have a cloudy glass? Or do you have a red glass? The glass effect. So, ang clear glass, yan yung state mo. You're clear, your head is clear, and you can do things at the top at peak performance. Ang cloudy naman, yan naman yung medyo malabo. You're not clear, you're also not red. You're unsure. Maybe because of certain reasons. Pero ang red, hindi lang yung negative emotion. Positive emotions can be red also. Do not make a decision if you are afraid, unsure, but also don't make a decision if you are so happy. Yan ang reason kaya maraming mga taong nasa scam. Pag kayo, nag-work kayo together, right? Nakita mo yung kasama mo, medyo hindi siya okay. I'm gonna tell you something, ha? Ito kasi yung kailangan natin gawin. By the way, how are you now? Clear ka ba? Cloudy or red? Sorry, medyo red glass kasi ako ngayon eh. Medyo negative yung ano ko ngayon, emotional outlook ko ngayon. So, naiintindihan mo na? O sige, later cool ka muna dyan, let's talk about it later. Kung medyo cloudy ka na or clear. Kasi pag red yan, ikaw, clear ka, maya-maya red ka na din. Nagkakainitan na kayo. Yun ang goal natin, meron tayong mga certain hacks in order for us to move forward.
To be unique. Follow for more.